How to add notes on Instagram posts and Reels. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now locate the specific post or reel where you want to add a note. You can access your post via your profile or tap the Reels icon to explore the Reels. So suppose this is the post where I want to share or add notes on. To add notes on this particular post, tap on the share button at the bottom of the picture. Now tap add note at bottom left corner of the screen. And now here you can easily add notes. You can either mention friends as well. But before that, make sure that you have updated version of Instagram. So let's type in here a message. You can insert the emojis as well. And before sharing, you can easily choose whom you want to share with, either followers you follow back or only the close friends. And after you are done with everything, now tap on the share icon at bottom right corner of the screen and your note will be shared on this particular post or reel. So in this way, you can easily add notes on Instagram post and reels. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.